Oh hey, I haven't seen you guys in a while. I apologize. I had really intended on doing a vlog every day for my new series, The First Day of the Rest of Your Life. Well, as it turns out, I've been pretty busy. I'm not really sure when I found time to work. I want my photo business, Memories by Andy, to take off. One of the things that you guys can do who are viewing this video right now is hit that subscribe button. YouTube has a way of paying people for putting up videos. And I just found out that their algorithm, or the basis of monetizing you, based upon the number of minutes viewed, 4,000 in a 12-month period, and the number of subscribers, people who subscribe to your channel. In fact, without 1,000 subscribers, you can't be monetized. Right now I've got less than 30. So if you would do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, invite your friends to subscribe to this channel. I don't care if you ever watch it again, but I need to get that 1,000 subscribers onto my channel. So let's get back to what I was talking about. The last 2 weeks, in the first day of the rest of my life, has been pretty interesting. I had somebody steal my identity, showed that in another video. Back in January of 2018, somebody in Lower Michigan used my information, my driver's license number, my social security number, and they filed a claim for Michigan's unemployment. They set up an account and everything. They didn't get paid. The state of Michigan caught it, knew it was an identity theft issue, and they denied payment. But it created some problems for me. Now my dad and my mother have come out here and helped me a lot with my house. Been able to get some of the projects that just haven't got done in the last couple of years because I've been a little busy with that job and some of the other stuff that I do, some of the volunteer work and my photography business and trying to see my kid who's up in Michigan Tech going to school. Very proud of him, by the way. A lot of those things done. We got the house painted finally. The outside has been painted. Got some more of the aluminum fascia up. Replaced some siding that had been rotted. Cleaned out some of the house. Got a bunch of my stuff together for a garage sale. So if you live in Traverse City, going to be having a garage sale this weekend. My stuff can become your stuff. Applied for a couple of jobs. Struggled with the resume process a little bit. I'm going to have to polish that a lot more, it looks like. This new style of filing everything online is kind of rough. You don't get to meet the people, shake hands, get a feel for who it is you're talking to. It's all based upon what you wrote on that piece of paper. It's getting easier. Not having a job, it's getting easier. The pain and the sorrow is not as much. I went in today, said hi to a lot of my coworkers. It's kind of rough. I missed my family. My coworkers were more than just people who I worked with. After the 21 years, a lot of them became very, very close. More like my family than just somebody who I work with. Well, things are getting better. We're trudging through. I met with a financial planner, able to figure out how to transfer my 401k over. That's going to make me a little more at ease that my retirement's going to continue to function like I need it to. Well, hey, thanks for joining. Sorry it wasn't as fun of a vlog as I'd like to have. It's been kind of busy, been kind of hectic. If you like anything you've seen, hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you on the other side of the lens.